Wait for until next month. You might be the next competitor for Sanu Motors. Hi, welcome to the channel. This is the challenge for the Feb 2026. Basically, this car came for a rear brake pad MOT fail. We done the rear brake pad. We'll see what we're going to do with this car. Basically, I have a stopwatch, two pair of gloves for the customer, not for me. This is the bigger size, this is the smaller size, and three flyers, adjustable, standard, long nose, and one ratchet. Right, basically I'll show you. This is the rules. If something happened to your fingers, nails damage, we are not liable. If we have any damage for your skin or something, we are not liable. But however, if customer do this one, customer will, I'll let you know in a minute. I'll show you what the customer had to do. Basically, this is the challenge. This is the retention clip. We already installed the new brake pad. We need to install this retention clip, however, using this tool or by hand. I'll show you what I'm going to do first, and we'll see how many minutes I will take to install this one. At the moment, I'm very sorry I can't show the customer face because she is not happy to take her face for the online like this thing. But however, we'll give as much best idea for you. Stay on, have a look what's going on. Next time might be you are the winner. Install this retention clip. Customer will do the stopwatch and we'll see how is going on. Right, 1 2 3, ready. You have to line up like this, lined up to the top one, lined up to the bottom one, and do with finger, do with this one, stop the watch. Right, 10 seconds. Right, then I will give customer to 3 minutes for do this job. Hopefully customer got the idea. Yes. Yeah, customer know how to do it now. We'll see what's going on the end. Okay, I'll make it 0. Right, we'll move to the next wheel. Right, customer choosing the smaller size gloves, see through. Customer has a 3 minutes for this job. Customer will take all tools to that side. I'll help for her. Right, okay, I'll leave it here. This is the retention clip. Right, once the customer ready, I will switch on the stopwatch. I'll switch on the stopwatch and we'll see how it's going on. If you want, you can use the tools.
I don't know how to do.
It need to go through this hole. This hole, yeah, lined up for this hole. Then after that hole, top one, lined up for the one hole first. Now this one need to line up other side, inside there. Right, okay. 1 minute gone already. You can use any flyers, whatever you want to use, you can use it. Mind your fingers, nails. Right, nearly there. Okay, 2 minutes gone.
Which
1 minute
way?
left.
This
Right,
way.
see, lot of audience. Right, okay. Right, she's doing hard work now. We'll see. Cheer up, guys, cheer up. 20 seconds left.
Yes.
Oh, well done. Hooray. Right, well done. Yeah, well done. I can give the marks. Right, okay. Yeah, we'll see what she got from my end. Let's go to our board. This is the rules for the my end, right? She done this one within 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Yeah, pass. And I told no any liable for the damaged fingers, nail, health and safety. Yes, she passed. And end of the day, she won basically 60 pounds for labor. She will have to pay only parts. So I'm happy she saved 60 pounds. Right. Wait for until next month. You might be the next competitor for Sanu Motors. As I mentioned, I need to refund 60 quid for her. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you, Charlie. It's wonderful.